Hi, my name is Lisa Cullimore, and I designed a website for a nonprofit private school, which I'm actually in the process of trying to start. It's a private school, grades 6 through 12, that's a bit of a hybrid between the traditional school system as well as a business school. The school is called Advanced Academy for now, and I chose academic colors for the scheme. So the colors I chose are this gold and the teal blue, as well as silver for the school colors, and then incorporated them into my website. So the idea behind Advanced Academy is to provide a more elective-based education for students. So you would get the traditional school minimum requirements, and then as they gain insight to what is offered in the workforce, then they can kind of tailor their curriculum to be more focused into what they would eventually want to go into the workforce as. I'm planning on partnering with corporations as well as universities in the area to provide an experience for them to get a head start in kind of the real world, and so getting college credits for courses that are taken, as well as partnering with for apprenticeships and internships with the corporations that would be potentially funding the private school in order to give them insight as to what opportunities are available in the workforce, so that they can then tailor their curriculum into those areas. So I broke my website down into the 5 different sections. The first part is who we are, and this just gives a brief synopsis of the school, what we have to offer, so that it highlights what sets us apart from other private schools, and just gives them kind of the overview of who we are. And the next section is why choose us. So this is really honing in on what sets us apart, what we offer for the students, why we would be beneficial in partnering with, and the reciprocal process between the corporations that we partner with, which goes into the next section, which is our partners. And so I chose just 3 large companies, one of which I work for, Delta Airlines, and then 2 local companies that we were hoping to partner with in the future. And this is just to encourage those, and they see those names of those big time partners, and it encourages them that they would want to be a part of partnering with us. The next section is what we offer. And this goes into what really sets us apart in the school and what we offer the students. So some of the things that I really want to focus on are the interactive learning, creating an environment that is advanced, and then using music and dance and other things to really stimulate the brain, get them in the mindset for learning, as well as advanced placement. Like I talked about, we would partner with the corporations in order to provide the students with internships and apprenticeships so that they can get the experience and then potentially move quickly up in the workforce once they're old enough to do so. And then the main focus that I want is a culture of belonging, really that sense of belonging for the students. Anyone that goes there, I would want to feel like they are welcome and appreciated and valued, and that they don't feel like they look different or think different or act differently, that it really just creates a welcoming environment for all students to be able to thrive. The last part is the partner with us and donate today. This is just that call to action to say, you've read about why we're such an amazing private school, and hopefully motivated them to want to be a part of growing the future and helping the students to create their own legacy. As far as the design goes, some of the things that were really difficult to really hone in on were actually these images that were circular, because there was just a little bit of margins on some of them, so I had to resize them, and trying to get the coding to be able to align everything correctly to center the buttons below, or as well as up here with the images. So that was one thing I wasn't anticipating. I really tried to break it up, not only just by the titles, but also, as you can see, there's different colors for rotating colors for each section to kind of help break up the monotony and to really set it apart as far as the sections and what they're talking about. I really enjoyed this process, and hopefully it will be the start of something really great in the future. And I can actually use this page to provide funding for my school. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for your time.